Hello everyone, today is 1st December 2023 and today is my 5th day of my English speaking practice. Okay, today I want to talk about a very serious thing, a very crucial, very important thing of English. I want to start this conversation with a question. Can you speak English well? I'm assuming that you are a university student or above that. Okay, so now I want to ask you a question. Can you speak English well as you do with your mother tongue? No. Right? You have studied English for so many years. Class 1 to 10 years. Intermediate 2 years, 12 years. And your university is 4 years. Total 16 years of your journey. Can you speak English after 16 years? Huh? I guess no. You had been English subject since class 1. Class 1 to class 10 you had been English subject. And still you can't speak English. Also, this question goes to me too. I can speak English well. This is very basic. We barely can speak. This is not the result we want after investing our 16 years of life. After 16 years, we can't speak English properly as like our mother tongue. And still, we are accepting that. If I had any power, then I would ask a question to our Bangladeshi educational board that why you put English subject and without any result. We don't see any result putting English subject in our curriculum. We had English subject since class 1 to class 10. On intermediate level, we had English subject. But still, studying after so many years, we can't speak. I think we take this subject and also the educational curriculum imposes this English as a subject. And we have taken this as a subject, not a language. English is just a language, just like we speak our mother tongue Bangla. And we have been studying English as a subject, just like any other science or any other science or maths or any other subject. But this is just a language. And what do we do with the language? We speak the language. We don't study the language. We speak. Okay? So we speak our mother tongue not by studying the language. We learned our mother tongue from our environment. We didn't need any subject to learn our mother tongue, Bangla. But in case of English, we have taken this as a subject. I don't understand what is the meaning of this. Why the educational? I want to ask you a question, and please, if you have the answer, please let me know. Please comment in the comment section. What do you think? Why we are studying English subject as a subject since class 1, from class 1 to 10? Why we are studying this as a subject? We after studying 16 years, studying 16 years of English, we barely say, my name is this, my father's name is that, please bring me water. We can say barely minimum thing, but this is not the result we want. We want to be fluent, and anyone can get fluent after learning 3 to 4 years, but we have invested our valuable time in English subject for 16 years and still we can't speak. Very sad. And I'm not saying that no one can speak English after 16 years of study. I think 99% can speak. Only 1% can speak not because of after 16 years of investment of learning English by reading books. They improved themselves. They wanted to improve themselves and they improved their English some other ways. Maybe they tried to speaking with someone, maybe they practiced English with someone, or maybe they have taken this language seriously, very seriously. That's why they learned the language, not because of not because of English study books that we have in our curriculum, not because of the book that we have in our curriculum. They learn by themselves. They wanted to improve. They were very serious about it. That's why they learned speaking. Otherwise, if you go through the curriculum, if you follow the curriculum, you cannot speak English after 16 years. You need to be serious about it. If you serious about it, if you think that I have to learn this language no matter what, if you make this type of promise, strong promise, then ultimately you can learn English only because of your own effort, not because of our system's effort. Our system, I don't understand why this system still exists after so many years, and I don't see any result of this system. And I really want to ask a question to our educational board that why do you teach English like this? Why do you put a subject, this English Today subject, as a subject? Do they think that we are going to learn English by reading a subject? And also, I think our Bangla medium school, if you studied, or if you have been studying in Bangla medium school, you cannot speak English studying in Bangla medium school. If you want to learn English, then you have to go to English medium school. I think English medium school is best to learn English. And I have seen that so many English medium schools students, they can speak English very well because their environment is like that. All the teachers and at home also, they speak English. That doesn't mean they forget Bangla. They also can speak Bangla well, but because of their environment is English speaking friendly environment, that is why they are able to speak English very fluent since the very early of their life. And we are studying in Bangla medium school, and we are lacking behind from those English medium schools students. So I can blame anyone, because in the end, no one will care about my background. No one will care that I've studied in Bangla medium school. I couldn't learn English. No one will care ultimately. I just have to learn English, and I can't make excuses to the people that I was underprivileged and I had problem, or the government, the educational system was wrong. I can't say those things because no one will hear my sayings. They will say, they will say you're rejected. So that's why I should stop blaming and take my responsibility on my own. And I have to become that 1% who able to speak English by putting more effort on their own. So I think I need to be more consistent and more focused on my journey. And I think I am being consistent and focused on my journey because my examination is coming, and also at this hour, at this time, I am practicing English. In future, I just want to be more confident, more efficient, and I want to stay ahead of everyone. So I just need to stop blaming people, government, or educational board. I just need to take responsibility on my own shoulder. Lastly, I want to say that by making video, by practicing English, I'm having two things at the same time. Speaking in front of camera is another skill, and speaking English is another skill. So I am acquiring two skills at the same time. like I'm shooting two birds at the same time. I'm getting more fluent, I'm getting more confident in English, and I'm being more comfortable in front of camera. Okay, and I think if I do this every day, also alongside is improving my English and being comfortable in front of camera, I am keeping journal by recording this video, because I will talk about my day, about what happened today, what happened yesterday. So that is why by making this video, I am making journal and keeping my keeping these videos as a document that how I have been passing my days. So I think it is a great initiative from me, because at the same time I'm having three benefit. First, I'm learning English, being confident. Second, I am getting more comfortable in front of camera, because talking in front of camera is another skill. If you think that anyone can do that, no. Anyone can do that. People who can do that, they got skilled over time. And three, I'm keeping my journal as a video format. Okay, I think that's all for today. If let me know what do you think. What should our educational institution should take measure about English language? Should they change the method or not? What should they do? Please let me know in the comment section and share your thoughts. And you can share what are you doing to improve your English, and I can take your advice or your method, and I can implement your method in my life. So by sharing each other's knowledge, each other's method, we can help ourselves. Okay, that's all for today. See you very soon.